a while later now, but like you saw earlier, I woke up at 5 o'clock to watch the sunrise on the beach with my dad. Even though it was absolutely freezing, it was really pretty and we had a really good time. But since I woke up super early, I was obviously really tired, so I had kind of just a chill morning and I was just doing stuff I need to do around the house. And I also actually had to work on a summer assignment for school because my school starts in 3 weeks. Which is actually insane because the summer is going by so fast. So I'm trying to enjoy it, but I also want to stay on top of my work, so I'm ready for school. Anyways, that's why I wasn't filming this morning. But now I'm about to get ready for the day. I'm actually not really sure what we're doing today, but we're probably going to go to the beach. So I think for now, I'm just going to get ready for that. Okay, so first things first, I need to pick out a bathing suit. I think I'm going to wear this fruit one from Target because I haven't worn it yet. And these are the bottoms, they just match the top. Okay, and then for my outfit over that, I think I want to wear this white tube top. And then maybe these little like striped shorts, but I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, that's my outfit and let's get it changed. We're going to the beach! Okay, so we both just got ready and we're gonna do a little outfit of the day.
So these are from Gooder. Fine. This, I actually don't know where this is from. Shorts are Nike. Bathing suit, the rest of it is on Amazon. And this is from Something Natural. And this is from the Swedish or Scandinavian.
Not really sure how you say this. Flagellravenkinken. Okay, my hat is also from Something Natural. If you could see, we have matching hats. But I got mine I got mine 2 years ago and she got it last year, so.
Yeah, I needed a hat.
My sunglasses are from
Perry.
Yeah, they're from this store in Paris called Merci, so yeah. My bathing suit, I think I already showed it, but it's a fruit one from Target. My tube top is from Garage. My shorts are from Hollister, and my backpack is from Billabong, I think. I don't know, but anyways, we're gonna go to the beach. so it's a while later now, but I'm obviously about to go to bed. I am so tired because I've been up for so long, but I just wanted to do a proper outro before I end the video. So thank you so much for watching my fun little beach day. I hope you guys enjoyed and make sure to subscribe. But yeah, that's it. Bye!